It doesn't feel over, does it? You've signed the divorce papers, the legal battle is over, but why does it feel like you just hit a wall? Legal closure and emotional closure are two different languages. And for many, the hardest part doesn't even begin until the lawyers stop calling. When the crisis phase ends, the world assumes you're done. The world moves on. But inside, your identity is still rearranging itself. This isn't a failure. It has a name: the post-divorce wall. Today, we're talking about why you don't feel finished and what actually helps you move forward. After divorce, what actually helps is integration, not distraction, not full reinvention. Integration. Making sense of what happened, understanding who you are now, and slowly learning to trust yourself again. This phase is about identity, about grief that didn't have a place to land during the legal process, about confidence that needs time to return. Support here looks quieter, more reflective, more restorative, less about decisions, more about rebuilding. The legal system may have built the wall, but it doesn't show you how to move beyond it.